Hey guys, welcome to my vlog number 2. Yeah, so we're off to Koeberg Nature Reserve today at the Koeberg power station. Ooh, nuclear. That's pretty cool. That's exciting. Well, 27 k's of trails roundabout, and well, I really need it, so
yeah, you do, Dad.
So we'll catch up with you when we get to the gate. So myself and Andrew are just started out on the Koeberg trail. So we're about 30 k's outside of Cape Town. It's a great place for beginners. It's a great place for guys like myself that want to get a bit of fitness back. And if you're a nature lover. Hey Andrew, what did we see here last time?
Stampeding horde of zebras. Stampeding
horde of zebras. Where did the oaks get words like that? I never used that at that age. What else did you see?
Springboks and other animals.
Springboks and other animals. Well, hopefully we'll see something today. So this is what attracts, I think, a lot of the kids, is the amount of wildlife they have here. Have a look at that. And they're fairly tame. We've got some on this side as well. Just gonna uncleat. If you have a look there, and they're just cruising. Usually there's a load of springbok as well. We don't see the springbok today, yeah, but we should see them.
There was a load down there.
That's not springbok. That is something else, I think. Apologies for being rather rude. I haven't introduced the little guy next to me. Well, that's Andrew, and Andrew's my son. He's a great little mountain biker, and he's showing me some of his fitness, and let me tell you, he's quite quick. Andrew, what do you enjoy about mountain biking, my boy?
It's fun. You can see the nature, and the mountains are big, so it's quite beautiful. And I love riding with my dad.
Not that there's much mountains today, but that's why he's keeping me on my feet. Sort of the halfway point, we've come to a place called Gordon's Hut. It's where guys can come and do bird watching, I suppose. So myself and Andy are going to go check it out. Usually a beautiful view of Table Mountain behind us, but nothing today, unfortunately. Let's go look in the hut. Cool is this? What do you think?
Cool, sweet, because you can see birds just flying around, sitting here,